I don't know how nerdy you want me to get about compost.
Today we're talking about compost. We're here with Duncan. He's going to break it down for us the nerdy way.
So you have to have your greens, which gives you nitrogen, and your browns, which gives you carbon. And you want a certain ratio of those, because if you have too much green nitrogen, it won't properly compost, and it'll start to stink like poop. So you want to avoid that, right? So our problem in the past is we were always doing too much greens, because this is all we had. But this year I really tried to make an effort at it and more carbon. So I'll show you my carbon in a minute.
Okay.
But anyway, this is our kitchen waste thing, and so you just get it down to manageable sizes.
So how old is this waste? This is just a day or two?
This is probably 2-3 days old.
So it's not mushy, it's sort of crunchy still.
Yeah, to reasonable size, doesn't have to be minute.
Okay.
All right, then,
I'll hold a chipper. Yeah, I can chop.
so this is our browns. So this went through the chipper shredder a couple times.
This is just what?
So it's just old twigs. We have 3/4 of an acre, so we have lots of twigs and stuff around. So
Okay.
And then any boxes that show up on the front step typically will end up in this.
Okay.
So you remember
Oh,
that?
so there's cardboard in here.
Yeah. There's a little bit of cardboard in there.
All right.
So if you remember that that ratio of carbon and nitrogen, it gets a little complicated. I'm still trying to figure it out. It's either 3-to-1 or 30-to-1, and it depends on how you look at it. So it's
That's kind of a big difference.
it is a big difference. The 3-to-1 is sort of the simplified version of it. So in theory, 3 of these equals 1 of these with the green. But when you dry it out, and this has all got a lot of water in it, right? But when you dry that all out, it would equal about this weight. So it's I'm just kind of experimenting. The bees are happy in there.
So
So I'll just throw that in
should
there.
I chop?
Yeah, and then you can just kind of mix it around. Just want to pre-mix it before we throw it in the composter. And it will mix up, so in the composter.
See, I'm tempted to just stick my hand down here.
You could do that too. That's what I usually do. It's just that I didn't think you'd want to.
Oh no, I want to.
Feel the earth, baby. Feel the earth.
This seems like a state fair delicacy.
Yeah.
Put it in a bowl. People will go,
On a stick.
It's actually
Sorry about the
smells,
stuff there.
it smells really good.
Okay. All right. So we got up to 4 compost barrels going. So these are old barrels that I got off Facebook. This is my second version. I'll probably do a third version at some point. My first version had the door here, but that was kind of annoying. So I put a door here on top. What I think I would do in my third version of it is cut the door down to this level, because it's a little hard to get the compost out.
Dude, this actually it smells pretty good. I would think it'd be like, it smells all lemony and minty. It does.
Yeah.
It does. It smells good. I would think it'd smell like dog poop.
Well, you would. And if you don't have enough carbon, it will smell like dog poop. And our stuff used to smell like dog poop.
Okay.
Now it doesn't.
Okay.
So that's an example of getting one going. So this batch is just getting going. So this one's empty and waiting. So this one was just started. You can see there's some mushrooms here. This one is a more finished batch. So it used to be up to here. You can see that it's been decreasing in volume. And if you smell it, you won't smell much. It smells earthy.
Yeah.
And
it just smells like the woods.
It probably feels a little bit warm.
Yeah, so look.
And it should be like a wrung out sponge, moisture-wise.
And that's the same stuff that we put in barrel 1.
Yeah.
It's
after
just
after about a month. So you want to aerate it. If you take it down and roll it. So this just mixes it up and gets some air in there.
You've got holes in the side of the barrel here for air.
For air and moisture, yes.
Okay.
And I also put a little bit of soil in there because that's got the bacteria that you're trying to get to. Yes, it rolls back perfect.
Good
now
job.
put your hand in there.
Oh, I see. Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So
and this will go in the garden or just on the lawn or wherever?
There's lots of things you can do with it. What we do is we use it as a dressing around the plants. So the worms will come up and they'll pull it down into the soil and aerate the soil and introduce more organic matter into the soil. So it steadily improves your soil. So,
All right.
There you go.
Well, did we learn anything?
I hope so.
I hope so. All right. Thanks for
All of
watching.
you guys who really know about it are probably laughing at me, but I'm doing my best. That's all I can say.
That's right, darn it. We'll see you in the next video.